Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video let's see what are the messages for you for this month. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for the zodiac sign of Geminis. What are the messages for Geminis for this month? Okay, so we have the Eight of Wands, the Five of Swords, the Eight of Pentacles, the Chariot, the Two of Wands, the Two of Cups, the Death, the Five of Pentacles, and the Ten of Pentacles. And the Star. So Geminis, what I feel here is with the Eight of Wands, the Five of Swords, and the Eight of Pentacles, there is a communication coming in, and that communication seems to be regarding a situation which has been troubling you. Okay, it can be an information that it's like there was something which you have done, or some work which you put in, or some investment you've done, somewhere you've invested something which you've done, but it was it didn't work out, it was spoiled for some reason, or there was some sort of a sabotage type of a thing and abandonment with it. So there was something which has been sort of ruined, and perhaps this communication comes to you regarding, or maybe this communication itself is ruining it. There is a communication which is coming in, either which is ruining some sort of an effort or some sort of an investment. Somewhere you've put in an effort or you're trying to do. There is something. This communication either spoils that. It can be that. Okay, it can be, or it can be regarding, it can be just an information as to who did it, if it's already done. Okay, so it can go both ways. Either this communication itself is spoiling something, or you now get to know as to who did it. It is the communication or the information which now you are receiving. Okay, this is the person who did it, or this is the reason why it happened. It's not exactly, it's not essentially it has to be a person. It can be, okay, this is the reason why this was spoiled. It can be that also. So it can be both ways. So whatever it is, there is a communication coming in regarding something which has been spoiled, or it is being spoiled, or it will be spoiled after this communication, something like that. Whatever it is, just take it the way it resonates with you. But with the Eight of Pentacles, even after this has been destroyed, you are totally focused on your work. You are totally trying to rebuild yourself. You are really working hard to, I should say, overcome that whatever has been spoiled. So according to me, you are rebuilding that foundation. So you are starting from a scratch. Even if you are starting from a scratch, or whatever has been destroyed, you are trying to rebuild it. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so you are totally focused on rebuilding, or the foundation, or the stability, or whatever the goal was. Okay, so even if something has been spoiled here, for whatever reason it has been spoiled, you are still, it has not been able to budge you, or it has not been able to deter you from your determination or whatever you wanted to achieve. So you're still focused on your goals. You're really working hard to get it again. It's something like that. And the way you are working and determined to get it back, you will be able to do it, and you will get the control back, and things will start moving forward, and things will pick up very good pace. Okay, and once you've done that work, you are here with the Two of Wands. You are ready to make a move. Here you are, okay, now I've done my work. I've done whatever needed to be done, and now here I am ready to move on to the new journey. Okay, so it's like suppose you graduated. Okay, now I've got my degree. Now, okay, where to go? It's something like that, whatever it is. Or whatever work you've done, you have done it, and now you are ready to implant it into the universe, or ready to move, or I should say, to reap its rewards, something like that. So you're ready to move in. You're just waiting for the right time and opportunity, which way to go, what to do. It's something like that, and it's being followed by the Two of Cups. So definitely, you are heading towards a new friendship, partnership, whatever it is. There is something which you are. Maybe you have a choice here. With the Two of Wands and the Two of Cups, maybe there is a choice over here which you are dealing with, as to which is right and which is wrong. It can be that, but to me, what I feel is you are definitely heading towards some sort of a relationship or a friendship or a partnership. Okay, after you've done this work. But what I feel here is there is a definitely, I really don't, but something here is ending then. There is a major change coming in. Once you are able to, I don't know what is going to happen over here with the Two of Cups. It's a beautiful energy, but then suddenly it is being followed by the Death card and the Five of Pentacles. So there is some degree of loss over here. So there is a major shift and a major change coming in, which is coming in with a sense of loss. And the beauty of it is that even though there is some loss, it is short-lived, because I think losing it is good for you. So whatever it is, maybe this relationship itself is short-lived. Okay, maybe this relationship itself is short-lived, and though its ending gives you a sense of loss, and you feel bad and upset, and you feel abandoned, and you really feel upset, but perhaps leaving this is good for you in the long run, because immediately after the Five of Pentacles we have the Ten of Pentacles and the Star. So what I feel is maybe this ending is a good ending for you. So in spite of it giving you that sense of loss, I think it's temporary. That sense of loss will be temporary, or not this only the sense of loss. Even if actually there is some loss, it's temporary, because immediately it is being jumped up to the Ten of Pentacles, which is giving you a solid foundation, commitment, and with the Star it is giving you that hope and healing, that okay, now you are on the right path and it is dream come true. So what I feel is this loss or this ending seems to be a temporary ending, and it is good for you. It's something like that. So let's see what is the message, what's an extra message for the Geminis from this deck. What else the Geminis need to know of? What do they need to hear? The Three of Clubs. So definitely this is, again, this is stability, this is long term, this is commitment, this is happiness, this is something really good. Okay, so what I feel is, so you are heading towards something good. That's what I'm trying to say. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels for Geminis. Six of Thought. Peaceful times are on the horizon. The storms have passed, and now you can see that your destination is within sight. The stress in your life will begin to fade away, allowing for happier times. It may be necessary to take a journey over water or to other country. So Geminis, it's a beautiful time, ultimately, what I feel. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.